What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the image classifier, and we are gonna go ahead and just kind of draw some circles. So it's gonna detect the circles, and then it's gonna draw a circle around it, kind of an outline type of thing. It's not being very specific here, so I'm assuming that that for loop goes somewhere right here, because that's where all this other stuff has been going. Huge circles, that was right here. So I'm just gonna kind of follow along, and we're gonna be using circles mat. This one here, circles mat calls. That's gonna be, I'm gonna be creating a new mat. There's no mat object here, but and we're gonna be adding it before the eye. Okay, inside of the circles mat stores x and y values for the center point and radius sequentially. For example, the first circle, it would be possible to retrieve the values as follows if we wanted to. Hold on, I just gotta double check, see what I've been doing and what. Everything should be good. Everything looks good, okay. Back to where I was. Step 4. What was I? To get all the values for each circle, we're gonna do the following. So we're gonna have x, circles mat. What about, we'll do that later, but what about like, whoa. All late. Now how do you redo? Control R. I can't just redo one thing. I have to type the whole thing again. How about redo? What is, okay. Okay. How about we just circles, kind of delete what's in the middle. Circles mat. That's it, right? Circles mat. Data 32 F3. Then this one is kind of similar, so we just go ahead and delete that. Copy this one, paste it right here. Y circles mat data 32F times 3 plus 1, and this one again similar. We'll paste it down here as well. This one is radius, the radius of a circle. Circles mat data 32 plus 2, and then we draw the circles. Okay. Finally, with all these values, we are able to draw outlines around the circles. Destination map. So I'm assuming that's some sort of a layer, a center. Radius value can be passed into circles such as a line thickness. Let's go ahead and add that. Let center is, we're creating a new object, CV point. None of this appears by default. Sometimes it makes me think like if it's actually grabbing from the OpenCV, but I guess we'll figure it out in a bit. I'll check it out, see if anything's appearing or anything like that. Display mat center radius. See how those appear when I type them out? None of the like point, none of the stuff that the other stuff like matte, they don't automatically appear. I believe they come from OpenCV or something like that. I'm not too sure. $255, is that a color or something? The color of the outline? Red outline. And then what else we got? Once we're done drawing, oh, so here's the circles. Once we're done drawing all the circles, oh, is that 0, 0? That's black, and then 255. That might mean something else. Once we're done drawing all the circles, we can display it to the user. Alright. So that would be, what would that be? Still inside the for loop, or I'm not sure. Once we're done drawing all the circles, would that be here? I'm gonna do it here. Picture on. It's no longer using I. This way, that's. Oh wait, hold on. See my show. I'm gonna do it down here. I don't have a clue. Image canvas. Display matte. That's out here outside of the for loop. Finally, it's a good practice to clean up the matte objects, which we'll no longer be needing. This is done to prevent memory problems. Then, when we put it all together, the circle detection and drawing code will look like this. Source. Spelled it wrong. Source. Matte. Delete. I'm spelling a few things wrong here. Let's go ahead and delete this here. Display matte. Delete. Circles matte. Delete that as well. Alright, let's see what we got. Previous code. What do you mean by previous code? So we have the, let's see, circles button on click. Okay, cool. Okay, image canvas. Display matte, clone. CVT color. We'll do the same spaces as well. Huge circles. Make sure I got the numbers right. 145, 75. 40, 0, 0. Then we got a for loop. Okay, we got I, circles, matte, calls, some columns, and everything looks good. Data 32F, radius, circles, matte, 32F, everything looks good. Draw circles. I'll do the comments. I don't mind doing some comments. Draw circles, center radius, I am a show, source matte delete, display delete, there it is. And just like that, step 4 is done. Now we gotta download the image. That'll be on the next one. On the next video we'll do step 5. As for this one though, let's see if we're not getting any errors. Yeah, no errors or anything like that. We just get the loading image and eventually it loads. Nothing too crazy. Let's take a look at OpenCV. I was gonna say CVS. OpenCV. What's it like, or yeah, what's it doing? OpenCV. Nothing too crazy. Var module. I mean, I don't understand all this. It's all compact, so I won't attempt to look at that right now. Let's look at let's see. Let's look at the first tutorial of let's see, introduction to OpenCV. Then we have introduction here, and then introduction to OpenCV and tutorials. Let's take a look at this real quick. So it's created by Intel. Okay, cool. For the JavaScript programmer. Okay. Let's see. Purpose of CVS tutorials is to help with the adaptability of OpenCV. So kind of the purpose and whatnot. Okay. You can use C++ as well. That's nice. Something to look into. Using. If the website lets me load it up. Eventually. Okay. Oh, so here's a way to do it. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to... Oh, okay. Oh, it's similar to the other one. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's something to look into for sure. I'll see what's up with this one over here. We'll see how it works. And if anything, I'll kind of look into this over here. Is this... Do they have a canvas images as well? Yo, this is very similar. This is very similar to what they have over here. Right? It's like a choose file. We got a no image, circle detection. What does this one do? Does this one do circle detection as well? This one... Okay, for this one I chose a face of myself that I use for an ID. Yeah. What is this supposed to do? It's supposed to tell what you can upload an image source. What am I supposed to do here? That's it? What? I don't see that. What was that? What was that all about? I thought it was gonna tell me like it's a face or something. Okay, nothing going on here. What am I supposed to call her? Let's see. CV. That? Maybe? No? Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to use it. Let's just be honest here. I don't know how to use it. Anyways, we'll go back to where it was over here at the beginning. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good ass day. Peace out.